Good evening, all. Yes, good evening. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, July the 24th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 0 stars. Well, this is also a 0 stars puzzle, but let me give this a 1 star. 4 stars Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, first one. Sudoku with 1 star. Well, actually it's 0 stars, but this will be number 6803. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Should be easier than the 1 star. The 1 star has 27 printed digits. Yeah, but let me give this a 1 star, okay. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with 1. By the way, the 1 star I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. Maybe 40 minutes, 30 minutes, we will see. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so last column. Now only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the 3rd row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so the last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the 3rd column, 1 in the 2nd column. So in the 1st column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the 3rd row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright, can I count? Yes. Okay, and all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 1. Okay. How about the number? 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, 2nd column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, okay, 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in the 3rd row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the 1st row, 6 in the 3rd row, so the row between. 2nd row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Then, okay, and now, let me see. Yes, we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the 2nd column, so the 1st column, the only place left with 8 should be there. 5 in the 1st column, 5 in the 2nd column, so the 5th column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then come on. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. How about the 9 then? 9. Come on. 8. but the 7 here. Come on. 5 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 in the middle column could be here, could be there. We see another 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, okay. 999. No, need a 9 here, need a 9 there. 9. Come on. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 8. Come on. 2, 6, 1, 5, 4. I'm thinking. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 3. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the first column, so no 3 in this box. Here 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the third row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the third row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those. 2 and a 4. 2, 4, and then 9. Oh, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 3 then. Alright. 9, okay. 2, 4, and then 2, 4, and a 9. I'm thinking. 2, 6. We have already the 6, 4. 4, 4, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column. Last column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in this row. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this column. 4 in one of those 2 boxes. Oh, well, need to wait 4. Okay. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places left for the 4 could be here, could be there. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here 7 in the last column, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 could be here, could be there. We have also 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so the last row, the third row. The only 2 places left for the 7 goes together with the 3 as a pair. Here, 7 and a 3, 7 and a 3. So I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 should be here. I've eliminated the 4 here, so the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 8. We have 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. So the 2 and the 4 are left. Okay. 3, 7. We have a 7 here. We have a 7 there. That means we need a 7 in the middle column. Here, or there. We see a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 could be here. Could be there. 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in these two boxes. Here 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Okay, the 4 here, 4. Let me see. 3, 7, and need a 9. No, we have a 9 here. 3, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need an 8 here. Yeah, 8 on there, and 8. No 8 here. No 8 here. 8, 8, 8. No 8 here, no 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes. Here, an 8 in this row, no 8 in that box. So one box left for the 8. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and a 9. Yeah, 3 and a 9. One box left in this. No, 2 boxes, 3 and a 7. Well, here can it be 7? Oh, well, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright, so 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. 7, 9, and an 8. 7, 9, and an 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 8 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. And look, we have 3 and a 5 in this column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated the 8. So the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. Okay, 3 and a 5, 7. 2 is missing. But these 2 missing numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8, 9 is missing, 7 and a 9. Oh, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. No 9 here, 9, 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 4 in the third column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column, only 2 places left for 2 goes together with the 9 as a pair. The other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So the 2 and the 9 are left. Yeah, 2 and a 9. Okay. Here, 1 box left in this row. I believe the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. So the 7 cannot be here. 1 box left in the middle row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes in there. 2 and a 9. Okay, this is a 9. Okay. 2, 9, 7. Okay, 1 box left in the second row for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. Yeah, no, the 3, 4 is missing here. Okay, 4, 4, 4. All right. So the 7 and the, 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers 7 and a 9, I believe. 7 and a 9. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes in there. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5, 5, 5. Correct. 60 minutes. Well. Talk too much in the beginning. Talk too much. Otherwise, I will be faster than 15 minutes. Let me give this a 1 star. Yes. And I like this one. Yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.